Intelligence Studio. Do subscribe and like the video.
China has achieved a significant milestone in its battle against desertification by completing a 3,046-kilometre sand-blocking green belt around the Taklamakan Desert. This achievement, finalised on Thursday morning, is part of the world's largest afforestation initiative aimed at combating desertification across northwest, north and northeast China. The Green Belt is a crucial component of the Three North Shelter Belt Forest Programme, or TSFP, which was launched in 1978 and is scheduled for completion in 2050. The TSFP, often regarded as a Great Green Wall, is a testament to China's commitment to environmental transformation. The programme aims to create a protective barrier of trees to halt the encroachment of deserts and improve ecological conditions. Over the decades, it has expanded forest coverage in affected regions, enhancing biodiversity and stabilising ecological systems. As of 2023, the forest coverage rate in the TSFP areas increased from 5.05% in 1978 to 13.84%. In 2023 alone, China planted approximately 4 million hectares of forest, restored 4.38 million hectares of degraded grassland, and treated 1.9 million hectares of sandy and stony land. This ambitious project reflects China's plan to address environmental challenges and promote sustainable development. This remarkable effort draws parallels with other historical endeavours, such as the Dust Bowl recovery initiatives in the United States during the 1930s, where large-scale planting was also a critical component of ecological restoration. The TSFP has already resulted in the planting of millions of trees, with over 32 million hectares of land reforested since its inception. This vast initiative not only combats desertification but also contributes significantly to carbon sequestration efforts, helping to mitigate climate change. Quotes from influential figures underscore the importance of such initiatives. As the environmentalist Wangari Maathai once said, "When we plant trees, we plant the seeds of peace and hope." This resonates with China's efforts to use afforestation as a tool for peace with nature and sustainable development. Her insights into the power of environmental action illustrate the broader impact of such programs beyond mere ecological restoration. While China continues to face challenges related to desertification, including severe sandstorms and ecological degradation, the completion of the Taklamakan Desert Green Belt marks a hopeful step forward. The government aims to further enhance these efforts with additional funding and community involvement, reinforcing its position as a global leader in afforestation and ecological restoration. The TSFP has also contributed to poverty alleviation, lifting about 15 million people out of poverty through forestry and fruit-growing industries. Through ongoing dedication to environmental protection, China is paving the way for a greener future, while addressing critical issues related to land degradation and climate change. The success of China's Green Belt can inspire similar projects worldwide, emphasizing the importance of global cooperation in addressing environmental challenges.
And do subscribe to the channel.